If your cat makes that short, high-pitched trilling sound when he sees you arrive, know that this particular call is reserved almost exclusively for someone he truly trusts. That sound, called a chirp or trill, is the same one mother cats use to call their kittens, a friendly, non-threatening way of saying hello, very different from a regular meow. When an adult cat directs that sound at you, he is treating you with the same warmth he would give his own kittens, or a beloved member of his colony. It is basically an affectionate hello made just for you. Comment if yours makes that sound when he sees you.